Dear students, in this video we will discuss about class 5 Oxford New Learners Grammar and Composition, chapter number 18, adverbs. Okay, so you know the difference between adjective and adverb. Okay, he is a smart boy. So you know here the smart is an adjective. It is called as describing word. It describes more about the noun. This is adjective or describing word. The words that qualify or gives more information about the noun or pronoun in a sentence. So this is called as adjective. So what is adverb? So here take an example. He is a slow worker. Okay. Then next, he works slow. So in these two sentences, here in the first sentence slow is used as adjective. In the second sentence, slow is used as an adverb. In the first sentence, slow qualifies the noun worker. In the second sentence, slow modifies the verb works. That means it tells about how does he work. Slow. The clear adverb means the word that modifies the verb, and also sometimes adjective and also adverb. Clear? Adverb modifies verb, adverb modifies adjective, adverb also modifies adverb. Clear? The adverb gives more information about the verb, about the adjective and also about the adverb. Clear? To take another example here. He is very smart. Okay. So here smart is an adjective and very adverb. So here adverb tells more about the adjective. Very smart. So very is adverb and smart is adjective. Okay. So here look at this. Compare these pairs of sentences and see how adverbs add more meaning to the verbs. The batsman hit the ball. Okay, here the verb hit. The batsman hit the ball hard. Here hard is an adverb. That means how. Okay, this is adverb of manner. Okay, adverb of manner. Similarly, in the next sentence, the doors to the library are closed. Here verb are closed. In the second sentence, the doors to the library are closed today. When? Today. That means this is adverb of time. You need to ask when the action is done. Okay, then you will find the adverb of time. Okay. Then next, the sports event was inaugurated. So verb here was inaugurated. The sports event was inaugurated at the stadium. So here at the stadium means this is a place. So we can say here adverb of place. Where the action is done. The action is performed in the stadium, at the stadium. So this is adverb of place. 4 trains run through this station. So here verb is run. 4 trains run every hour. Every hour. Here every hour means how many times, how often the action is done in the sentence. This is adverb of frequency. Clear? So these adverb all tells about verb. When the action is done, where the action is done, how the action is done, how many times the action is done. Clear? So this is adverbs. So here adverbs tell us more about verbs. Okay, but adjective tells more about noun or pronoun. So here how, when, where and how many times something is done. Okay, here are 4 main types. Adverb of manner, adverb of time, adverb of place and adverb frequency. So there are also other types of adverb. Adverb of degree. I am too happy today. I am very happy. Okay, so here very is adverb of degree. You will read more about in the higher classes. Okay, I am very, very is adverb of degree. I am extremely happy. Extremely adverb of degree. Okay, so here look at this, something urgent came up, so I had to leave hurriedly. So hurriedly is adverb of manner. So most of the adverbs are formed by using ly to the adjective. So slow. Okay, slow is adjective. So when we add ly with the adjective, we get adverb. Okay, slowly. Clear? Then next year I wanted to visit okay, the lakes over the weekend. That means your time. When did you want to visit? Okay, the weekend. So, this is adverb of time. Then next year, unfortunately, I had to go somewhere else. So, here somewhere else. This is adverb of place. Then next, this happens with my plans very often. So, often. So often adverb of frequency. Clear? So here the adverb of manner, the adverbs of manner answer the question how the action is done. Here badly, carefully, hurriedly, effectively, well, with care. This is how the action is done. Adverb of manner tells us how the action is performed in the sentence. The next adverb of time, it tells us when the action is done. Next month, soon, yesterday, recently, afterwards, now. Okay, on Monday. These are adverb of time. The adverbs of place, it answers the question where the action is done. That means at the airport, in the park, upstairs, there, here, everywhere, outside, anywhere. These are all adverb of place. Then next adverb of frequency. How many times or how often the action is done. Daily, every day, okay, frequently, always, never, often, regularly, occasionally. These all are adverbs of frequency. Clear? So here read the sentences below, underline the adverbs and adverb expressions. State which type of adverb each one is. One has been done for you. So here the flowers crops grew slowly in their beds. So there are two adverbs. So slowly adverb of manner, how the action is done. Okay, manner. Then second in their beds. Where? So this is an adverb of place. Similarly, next year they have been tended lovingly. Lovingly means how. Adverb of manner. Okay. In the spring they were gently planted. How were they planted? Gently. So, this is adverb of manner. Then next, then they were sowed well. How? Okay, well. So this is adverb of manner. We took out the weeds every day. So every day means it tells us how often the action is done. That is adverb of frequency. The flowers often swing gracefully in the wind. How? Gracefully. That is adverb of manner. How many times? Often. That means adverb of frequency. Clear? The flowers often swing. The often adverb of frequency. Gracefully adverb of manner. Clear? Then next, sometimes we confuse adjectives with adverbs. Read the sentences below. State whether each underlined word is an adjective or an adverb. Remember the way adverb functions before identifying them. So one word can be used as an adjective and also adverb. Okay, so fast and fast. So this can be used as adverb and also adjective. Take an example. Rohan runs very fast. Rohan runs very fast. So there are two adverbs in this sentence. So here very adverb of degree. As I have already discussed in the beginning of this video, adverb also tells more about adverb. Degree are very fast. How? So here fast is also adverb of manner. So here there are two adverb. First adverb of degree very and also adverb of manner. This is fast. So here fast is used as an adverb, but fast can be also used as an adjective. So Rohan is a fast runner. Rohan is a fast runner. Clear? So here fast is used as an adjective and runner is a noun. So here fast tells more about the runner. Rohan is a fast runner. Rohan runs very fast. Clear? So similarly here, the woolly mammoth is believed to be the ancestor of the modern elephant. Mammoth is noun and it is used, here the adjective is used before, this is attributive adjective. Okay, so this is, here woolly is used as an adjective, not adverb. Then next, suddenly she remembered that someone was waiting for her. Suddenly you can say here adverb of time. Suddenly, okay, adverb here. He jumped off high and left the room. So here jumped off high. So higher used as adverb. Okay, we need some roughly ground nuts to add to the kheer. So ground here noun and here roughly adjective. Okay. The next, an early bird catches the worm. So bird is noun and here early is used before the noun. So here early is used as an adjective, not adverb. Early bird. Okay. I caught the fast train. Similarly, fast train. So fast is adjective. Fast train. Okay. The baby cried wildly. So here wildly. This is used as an adverb, not adjective. It tells more about the verb, not noun or pronoun. Okay. Our teacher speaks very softly. So there are two adverbs, very and also softly. Okay, very adverb of degree. Okay, and softly adverb of manner. So here softly is used as adverb. Clear? Then next here, she has curly hair and blue eyes. So here curly adjective, not adverb. Here hair is noun. Okay, and curly is an adjective before used the noun. Then next, walk fast or we will miss the bus. Walk fast. How? That means here adverb of manner. Okay, you have to here fast is used as adverb, not adjective. This book has been written wonderfully. How? Okay, how? To here adverb of manner. Clear? So here, as I have already told you, that adverbs can also modify as adjective. Take your example, the bus was quick. The car was very quick. Here quick. So here quick, adjective and very adverb. So here adverb modifies adjective. The car was very quick. Okay, very modifies the adjective quick. He is very poor. He is very. Take an example. He is very poor. Poor is an adjective and very adverb. So here adverb modifies adjective. Clear? The next example, your idea is simply wonderful. So wonderful adjective and simply adverb. So here adverb modifies adjective. Okay, simply modifies the adjective wonderful. Clear? So these are we called modifying adverbs. Okay, so the adjectives quick and wonderful have become more meaningful due to the modifying adverbs very and also simply. So these we called modifying adverbs. Clear? And make adjectives more meaningful and provide information about the extent, degree and intensity of the adjective. Intensity or degree, this is intensity or degree, this is adverb of degree. Okay. Then next here, underline the adjectives and circle the modifying adverbs in the dialogues below. One has been done for you. Sandhi, your voice is barely audible. So audible adjective and barely adverb. Please speak a little louder. Louder adjective, little adverb. Okay. The next, Himani, I am speaking quite loudly. So here both here two adverbs in this sentence, quietly and also quite and also loudly. Adverb of degree and loudly adverb of manner. So you have to follow the instruction. Okay, circle the modifying adverbs. I might disturb other people if I speak louder. Well, we had a very enjoyable. Very is modifying adverbs. Okay, so there is an adjective enjoyable. The trip was well planned. So here well adverb and also planned adjective. So this is you have to circle the modifying adverb. Well is modifying adverb. Then next, Sandhi, isn't Rajasthan extremely hot? So extremely, this is modifying adverb. Okay, and hot adjective. Clear? Himani, not in October. It was fairly cool. So here cool is an adjective. Fairly modifying adverb because it modifies the adjective. Okay. We first saw the brilliantly designed. So here brilliantly adverb. Modifying adverb because it modifies the adjective designed. Clear? City Palace. We visited the Amar Fort. It was truly expensive. So here truly modifying adverb because it modifies the adjective impressive. Even though it was not very easy. So here very modifying adverb because it modifies the adjective easy. Easy here adjective. Okay. The sunset made the fort breathtakingly beautiful. So here breathtakingly modifying adverb because it modifies the adjective beautiful. Clear? Sandhi, they must have many amazingly talented craftsmen. Here amazingly, this is modifying adverb. It modifies sound talented. Then next Himani, you are absolutely right. So absolutely modifying adverb. It modifies the adjective right. Okay, clear? Then next here, like adjectives, adverb can have a comparative superlative. So as in the adjective you have already read, there is also comparison, positive comparative superlative. But here this is difference. In adjective we compare the quality. Okay, just take an example. John is tall. Okay, Rohan is taller than John. Rohan is taller than John. Rohit is the tallest of all. Rohit is the tallest. So this is the comparison of adjective. Okay, here first positive degree when no comparison is made, super comparative degree when one is compared with another, and superlative when one is compared with all, the tallest. So similarly in adverb we compare the the verb. Okay, similarly in adverb the comparative, superlatives and also positive form are used. Ria sings beautifully. Okay, Sital sings more beautifully. Okay, than Ria. Payal sings the most beautiful, the most beautifully among all. So here first one we compare Rohan's Ria sings beautifully. So here beautifully adverb. It tells about how she sings. Similarly, Shital sings more beautifully than Ria. So here comparison is made. Okay, more beautifully. This is comparative degree. The most beautifully. This is superlative degree. Clear? So here walk fast. Faster train has already arrived. So here positive degree. No comparison is made. Walk faster if you want to catch the train. So here comparative degree. You walked the fastest. So here the definite article used before the adverb fastest. Okay. So we often use more and most, less and least with adverbs to denote the degree of comparison, as I have already discussed. Okay. So my mother does not like heights, so she walked up the hill less confidently. So this is comparative degree. He arranged the flowers most beautifully. Okay, so here most beautifully. So this is superlative degree. Clear? So here look at this. Choose the positive, comparative or superlative form of the words given in the brackets to complete the sentence. So here my parents are the. Here the definite article used. So this is superlative degree. Okay, most happily married couple I have ever seen. Then next, people dash envy each other. So easily. Okay, the positive degree this is. So she is an dash singer, absolutely fantastic singer. Second one. Okay. Then next here, this part of this city is dash. So here comparison is made. Okay. So here this part of the city is more neatly. You have to use the comparative degree of adverb. Okay. More neatly. Then next you can find the dash designed houses. Designed houses here. So here superlative degree will be used. Most beautiful, and here the definite article is used. Clear? Most beautifully. Then next the passengers survived. Here miraculously. Okay. Second one. Then next here she danced gracefully. Positive. Okay. Gracefully. Second one. Then next he swims. Here the definite article is used. So here superlative degree will be used. Okay. Fastest. Second one. Then next he is the dash talented athlete in our school. He is the most. As here the okay definite article used, most talented. Clear? Then next underline the adverbs in the following sentences and write what type they are. So here Meher exercises every day. That means every day adverb of frequency. Okay. She exercises alone yet systematically. Systematically adverb of manner. She walks out on the open terrace. This is place. Where? Okay, you will get the answer adverb of place. Once in a while she goes to the gym, but that's rare. Here once in a while and also rare. Adverb of frequency. Okay. She does push-ups fast. Fast adverb of manner. The push-ups get her fairly ready. Fairly is here fairly can be called as adverb of degree. Fair. The push-up gets her fairly ready for the other exercises. It is extremely important for the youth to be alert about their fitness. So similarly extremely can be called as adverb of degree. Okay, extremely, partially, fully. So here extremely okay. Adverb of as in your book there are 4 adverbs are given: adverb of manner, adverb of place, adverb of frequency, adverb of time. So in this way we can say that extremely here manner, but very, extremely, fairly, to, these are adverb of degree, not manner. Clear? So I think this video will help you. If you find any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay. Thank you.